Today we will learn 3 cross-body lead and walk combinations for beginners. Combo number 1. We will start from a closed position with cross-body lead steps. Front, side, open, leading on 5 and transition into an open position. Back basic and single right turn with the right, leading on 5, 6, 7. Now, with the music, enter a closed position and 1 basic. Let's go! And now let's do the cross-body lead steps, leading a cross-body lead, transition to an open position. Front, side, now open your hand, slide your hands into an open position. Now back basic and single right turn with the right. 5, 6, 7. Basic, enter again a closed position. And let's do it again. Cross-body lead steps, leading cross-body lead. Applying gentle pressure on her back on 5 and slide the hand. Now back basic. Raise your hand on 2, 3 and lead on 5, 6, 7. Basic, close position again. And let's do again the cross-body lead steps, leading cross-body lead. Front, side. Now open your hand, lead on 5 and slide your hands. Back basic. Single right turn with the right, raise on 2, 3 and lead on 5. Now full speed, 1 basic, let's go. Close position and cross-body lead, go. Transition into open position, back basic, single right turn. Basic, doing great. Close position and cross-body lead, let's go. Open position, back basic, single right turn. Basic, closed position. And last time, cross-body lead. And open position, back basic, single right turn with the right. Combo number 2. We'll start with the cross-body lead step. Stepping to the front, side open, leading the walk forwards, raise and down. Now we're back basic and leading the single right turn with the left on 5, 6, 7. And now with the music, open position, basic, 1, 2, 3 and let's do the cross-body lead step, leading a walk. Let's go. Front, side, open, now leading forwards, raise, and down. Now back basic and single right turn with the left. Let's go. Over the head, 5, 6, 7, basic. Enter again, open position, holding both hands. Cross-body lead step and leading the walk. Let's go. Front, side, open, lead forwards with the left, raise, and down. Back basic. Single right turn with the left. And 5, 6, 7. Basic. Connect with the other hand into open position. And let's go again. Cross-body lead step, leading and walk. Front, side, open, leading forwards on 5. Raise and down. Now back basic and lead with the left. Single right turn. Over the head. And now full speed, 1 basic, go. Open position. Cross-body lead step, leading a walk. Front, side, open, forwards, raise, down. Back basic, single right turn. And a basic. And again, cross-body lead step, leading a walk. Let's go. Front, side, open, leading forwards. Now back basic, single right turn. And a basic. Both hands. Again, cross-body lead step, leading a walk. Front, side, open, forwards, and down. Back basic, single right turn with the head and down. And now, combo number 3. We'll start with cross-body lead steps, leading the cross-body lead from open position. leading forwards on 5, 6, 7. Then a back basic and leading a single right turn with the right on 5, 6, 7. And then crossbody lead steps, left to right, leading the walk, forwards, up and down. Now, with the music, let's go. Open position and one basic. Go. 1, 2, 3. And now, crossbody lead, open position. Let's go. Front, side, open, leading forwards on 5, 6, 7. Back basic. Single right turn with the right. Leading on 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead steps, connect with the left and lead a walk with the left. Forwards, up and down. Crossbody lead steps, leading crossbody lead with both hands. Forwards in 5 and back on the line. Back basic, single right turn with the right. Lead on 5, 6, 7. Now crossbody lead steps, connect with the left and lead a walk. Forwards and 5, up and down, full speed, one basic, 1. And let's go, crossbody lead. Front, side, open and forwards, back basic, single right turn with the right. Now crossbody lead steps, connect with the left and lead a walk. Now crossbody lead steps again, crossbody lead open position, back basic, single right turn with the right. Crossbody lead steps, lead a walk with the left, forwards, up, down. And thank you for joining us.